Hello friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you are doing well. My exams are over. And who thinks about studying after exams? So, in this video, I came up with a recipe of ketchup. Everybody loves ketchup, right? But ketchup of outside is not good for health. So we are going to make ketchup at home. So the main ingredients which you should have for making ketchup are fresh and red tomato, red chili powder, ginger, garlic, salt, sugar, corn flour and vinegar. If you do not have vinegar, you can use lemon juice too. Now, to get rid of germs, wash tomatoes nicely. Now chop the tomatoes. No need of chopping it finely, just cut it in at least 4 pieces. Don't forget to remove the eye of the tomato. You can take help of your elders to cut the tomatoes. Now put tomatoes in the cooker. I have 1.5 kg tomatoes. For half kg, we put half cup water. But I have 1.5 kg tomato, so I'll put 1.5 cup water in the cooker. Now we'll put ginger and garlic in the cooker. If you do not like garlic, you can leave it. Also, if you like onion, you can put it in the cooker. Now tomato is cooked and leave it for cooling for at least 10 to 20 minutes. Now it is cool and put it in the blender to blend it. Mama has separated water from the tomatoes before grinding with the help of strainer, and the grinded tomatoes are now being stained. The puree which is separated from the tomatoes mixture should not be thrown. Tomatoes mixture is very thick and many times happens it is very difficult to stain. So you can use that puree for staining the tomatoes mixture. This is the waste which is remaining. After staining the tomatoes mixture, you can throw it. The puree of tomato should be put in a frying pan or kadhai. Put 1 katori sugar for half kg tomato ketchup, and if you are making more than that, you can add sugar according to that. My mother is adding 2 bowls. Take 1 tablespoon salt My mother is not putting chili powder as I do not like chili. If you like, you can add. We are putting lemon juice in the ketchup. If you have vinegar, you can put vinegar in it as a preservative. Take corn flour, at least 1 spoon, and mix it with water. Put it in the kadhai and mix it with spoon. Now it is thick and ready to eat. If you want to check it is thick or not, take little bit ketchup on the plate and move it. See, water is not coming down, it is going with sauce. Means it is thick. Now off the gas and let your ketchup cool. See how much quantity of sauce